Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to memorize sin costan values. We'll start by focusing on the 5 key angles: 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. Then, I'll show you a straightforward method to quickly recall the sine values for these angles. Once you have sine down, cosine and tangent become incredibly simple to figure out. This approach will help you master these essential trigonometric values with confidence. Let's tackle sine values first. A fantastic trick involves thinking of the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. For each number, take its square root and then divide the result by 2. For instance, sine of 0 degrees is the square root of 0 divided by 2, giving you 0. Sine of 30 degrees is the square root of 1 divided by 2, which is 1/2. Following this pattern, sine of 90 degrees becomes the square root of 4 divided by 2, simplifying to 1. This method provides a consistent way to remember all 5 sine values. Now for cosine values, it's incredibly simple once you know sine. The cosine values are just the sine values in reverse order. So the cosine of 0 degrees is 1, the same as sine of 90 degrees. Cosine of 30 degrees is the square root of 3/2, matching sine of 60 degrees. Cosine of 45 degrees is unique, as it's the same as sine of 45 degrees, which is the square root of 2/2. Finally, cosine of 90 degrees is 0, just like sine of 0 degrees. Finally, let's calculate tangent values. Remember, tangent of an angle is simply its sine value divided by its cosine value. For example, tangent of 0 degrees is 0 divided by 1, which equals 0. Tangent of 30 degrees is 1/2 divided by the square root of 3/2, simplifying to 1 over the square root of 3. Tangent of 45 degrees is 1, since its sine and cosine values are identical. Be careful with tangent of 90 degrees. It's undefined because you would be dividing by 0.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.